today let's start with chapter number 8, more features of Adobe Photoshop. Let's study about the retouching tool of Adobe Photoshop. So what is retouching tool? It is a clone stem tool, pattern stem tool, healing brush tool, and blur, sharpen and smudge tool, dogged or burn tool. These tools repair damaged images, applying repeated pattern or a different replace cut by color of an image. Right? First is clone step. This let you to clone an image through duplicating part of an image by setting a sampling point. जिसको आप क्या कर सकते हो, क्लोन कर सकते हो. So how you can clone it? Select the clone stem tool, choose an appropriate setting. Hold the Alt key जिससे आप कर्सर सिंबल को टारगेट सिंबल में क्या कर सकते हो, चेंज कर सकते हो. Right? Now click and drag the image, the place you where you want to drag it. Right? आप जहाँ चाहते हैं. Then we have pattern tool. So, before learning about pattern stem tool, we need to know the first what is pattern. It is a design which consists of image which is repeated. So, repeated hota hai, tiled hota hai. The basic job of this is allow you to fill the area with that pattern. आप area को with different pattern fill कर सकते हैं. Right? What are the different steps? Click on the pattern stem tool. You will go to option bar. From where you can set the option that you want to be included. Now, choose a pattern from the pattern picker. The option bar is found. Then you will go to the area where you would like to apply the pattern. जहाँ पे भी आप pattern को apply करना चाहते. Now healing brush tool. An image might be imperfect. भाई हो सकता है कुछ scratches हो उसमें या फिर blemishes हो, कुछ marks हो, तो आप उसको clarify कर सकते हो, correct भी कर सकते हो by using healing brush tool. So what are the different steps? First you will choose the healing brush tool. Choose the option as per your choice from the option bar. होल्ड डाउन ऑल्ट की जिससे आप कर्सर के शेप को टारगेट सिंबल से चेंज कर सकते हो. यू विल पिक अप द पिक्सल बाय क्लिकिंग द एरिया. यू विल क्लोज द एरिया दैट नीड्स टू बी रिपेयर. जो क्या होगा, रिपेयर हो जाए. नाउ क्लोन स्टेम टूल एंड हीलिंग टूल. ये क्या करता है, पिक्सल को कॉपी करता है वन पार्ट ऑफ द इमेज टू अदर. राइट? सो ब्रश एंड द कलर स्टेम टूल दैट इज हीलिंग ब्रश इन फोटोशॉप टेक्स इनटू अकाउंट टेक्सचर, illumination and shadow. So what is spot healing brush? So it is the tool which is similar in nature and only difference is in that spot healing brush. It does not require sampling point to set. It picks the pixel from around on its own और वो image को repair करता है. Right? You will select the spot healing brush tool, go to option bar, choose the option you like and you will click on that area that's need to be fixed. जिसे आप fix कर सकते हो. Right? So blur, sharpen and smudge. These are the different images. ब्लर जिसमें आपको टूल मॉडरेट दिखेगा, सॉफ्टन होगा और वो एरिया को फोकस करता है. शार्पन, उसके सिलेक्टेड एरियाज के एज बहुत शार्प होगी. स्मज टूल, व्हेन एन इफेक्ट ऑफ अ वेट फिंगर स्प्रेड अक्रॉस द इमेज टू बी गिवन. इट लुक्स लाइक अ ड्रैग्ड थ्रू वेट पेंट. नेक्स्ट इज टू यूज एनी टाइप ऑफ दिस टूल, फॉलो द स्टेप्स. सेलेक्ट एनी वन ऑफ द ब्लर, शार्पन एंड स्मज टूल. दिस ऑप्शन विल सेट द ब्रश साइज एंड ब्लेंडिंग नेक. Now, as you drag the mouse pointer over an image, the effect of the respective tool will be applied. Now, dot and the burn tool, it is used to lighten or darken. ठीक है, dot tool होगा, it is used for lightening an image और burn darker करता है. ठीक है, तो ये आपको याद रखना है. Now, different steps has been given. Choose the dot tool or burn tool. You can choose appropriate option from the option bar. The effect will you take in place the image when you drag the mouse over the area that you want to change. So this is your dog किसके लिए होगा, lightning के लिए, burn darken के लिए. Now type tool. So you can find type tool in the tools panel. Horizontal type tool, insert text in the horizontal way. Vertical में आप vertical direction में करो. Right? Open the image, choose either the horizontal, vertical. Choose the appropriate option like font. You will set the insertion point, click anywhere. Now enter the text of your choice. You will click on the commit button. Now next is wrapping text. To wrap the text, follow the given step. Place the cursor anywhere which is already written text. Select from type tool. Go to option bar and click on create wrap text button. And this will display the wrap text dialog box. Step 3, you will go to style drop down list. Right? Choose from horizontal or vertical orientation. Specify the values for additional option, right? And to apply wrap style, you will click on OK. Then you have eraser tool. So dragging across the eraser tool, what it's do? It erases pixel across the image. Next we have background eraser tool, जो क्या करता है, बैकग्राउंड कलर जो है इमेज का उसको रिमूव करता है. जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे इरेजर पे, सो द सैंपल्स ऑफ द कलर जो भी आपको दिख रहे हैं ब्रश में, दिस कलर एज यू ड्रैग, option of the tool will allow you to specify the type of erase. Like this you can see. Now magic eraser, it erases all colors within the set tolerance. It is essentially the same as using the magic wand and hiding delete. Now what are layers? Layers are using Photoshop जो आप work करते हैं और individual part, right? Elements that are placed on the higher layer, they are placed above the elements placed on the lower layer. Now screenshot of layers panel. When you open a new image file, a color or white background जो आपका फ्रंट मोस्ट इमेज लेयर दिखाएगा पैनल की, उसको हम बैकग्राउंड कहते हैं. Now working with layer, adding new layer. You will click on new layer button जो आपके layer panel पे है, right? And now this will open a new layer named layer 1 by default. रीनेमिंग करनी है तो आप डबल क्लिक करोगे, डिलीट करना है तो आप सेलेक्ट करोगे और डिलीट का ऑप्शन आएगा, वहां पे आप वहां से डिलीट कर सकते हो. नाउ शोइंग एंड हाइडिंग, नेक्स्ट प्लेयर इज यू विल फाइंड एन आई आइकन. अगर आप उस पर क्लिक करोगे तो आपको शो होगा, अगर आप उस पर दोबारा से क्लिक करोगे ऐसे आई के सामने से निशान बना हुआ होगा तो वो हाइड ऑप्शन होगा. Now layer effect. Photoshop offer the user with various effects that allow user to enhance the look of the content. Right? Go to layer panel and select a layer. At the bottom of the layer panel, click on layer style. You will choose an effect from this list, layer style. A layer style dialog box will appear here. Desired effect you will choose by all the check boxes present on the left side. Now you can use filters also जब आप appearance change करना चाहते हैं. So how you will apply filters? First step is choose a particular portion of the entire layer. Go to filter menu, select the filter of your choice. Filter dialog box will be seen here which is associated. If one appears, you will set the option to apply the filter. If it does not, the filter gets applied directly. वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. Now filter gallery. So you can apply multiple filter. First of all, आप entire image layer को check क्या करोगे, select करोगे. Choose the filter, filter gallery, dialog box arranges the filter, etc. Now select the setting of your choice, right? The filter that you apply will get added and you can see the new effect. और आपको एक नया effect देखेगा like this. Right? This is the applied effect and then you will click OK. The effect will be applied. Now I have completed this chapter. Let's start with the exercise now. Now first is tick the correct answer which we can darken a part of image by using dog debug. A user can improve or repair scratches and blimps in by using healing brush tool. Part of the image that can be duplicating, that is clone stem tool. Next is this tool is used to sharpen the selected portion, that is sharpen tool. So we can add text in Photoshop by using dash tool. किसका? Type tool. Now fill in the blanks. Dash tool allows you to lighten selected area. That is your dodge tool. Next is dash tools allow user to soften selected portion, that is smudge. The user can duplicate part of image by using clone stem tool. आप किसका यूज कर सकते हो? Clone stem tool. Dash tool allow user to darken selected area, that is burn tool. Dash tool can fill an area with variety of different pattern, that is your pattern stem tool. Dash tool is used to erase part of an image, that is eraser tool. Now write T for true and F for false statements. First is there are many filters available in Photoshop. It's true. Sharpen tool, soften an image, false. Now dodge tool is used to darken an image. No, false. Brighten करता है. Now blur tool allows the user to blur an image. It's true. There are different layers that can be applied in Photoshop. It's true. Next is the type tool lets you work with image. True. Now answer the following. What is retouching? Retouching क्या होता है? Right? Now what is layer and what it is used? What are filters and why? What do they do? What is healing brush tool and how it is different from clone stamp tool? Eraser tool क्या होता है? आपके दो ways बताने हैं. What are dodged and burned? Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.